Welcome to the ultimate guide to Revit for BIM collaboration. In this video, we will uncover how you can use Revit as a powerhouse tool for seamless coordination, communication, and project success. BIM collaboration is the process of multiple project stakeholders working together in a shared digital environment. In Revit, this means teams can co-author models, detect clashes early, and ensure design integrity across disciplines. It's more than sharing files, it's sharing intelligence. With Revit's work sharing feature, team members work on the same project model simultaneously. Each user gets a local copy, and updates are synced with a central model. Work sets help divide tasks, so no one steps on another's toes. Enter BIM Collaborate Pro, Autodesk's cloud-based solution that takes Revit collaboration to the next level. Models are hosted on Autodesk Construction Cloud, giving remote teams real-time access. Versioning, markup tools, and issue tracking make coordination crystal clear. Collaboration isn't just about modeling, it's about preventing mistakes. With tools like Navisworks and Revit's Coordination Review, you can detect clashes, assign issues, and track resolutions, all before construction begins. Smooth communication is key. Use shared folders in Autodesk Docs, communicate changes through Revit's internal comments, and always publish the latest model versions. This minimizes miscommunication and maximizes project transparency. To master Revit for BIM collaboration, follow best practices, sync regularly, backup central files, follow naming conventions, keep communication consistent, assign a BIM coordinator to oversee workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop your Revit collaboration questions in the comments. See you in the next video.